Finding low competition keywords on Fiverr for WordPress services can be a valuable strategy. To help you stand out and attract potential clients, here's a step-by-step guide on how to find these keywords. First, understand your niche. Determine the specific WordPress services you offer. Are you focused on website design, development optimization, content creation, or something else? Understanding your niche will help you to identify relevant keywords. Keyword research tools. Utilize keyword research tools to identify potential low competition keywords. Some popular tools include Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, and keywordtool.io. Answering the public helps you to find out questions and topics people are searching for. Long and tall keywords. Focus on long and tall keywords, which are phrases with three or more words, as they often have lower competition and higher intent from users. For example, instead of WordPress design, consider affordable custom WordPress website design. Analyze competitor gigs. Look at similar services on Fiverr. Analyze the keywords they are using in their gig titles, descriptions, and tags. This can provide insights into what keywords your competitors are targeting. Use synonyms and variations. Incorporate synonyms, variations, and related terms of your main keyword. This can help you capture a wide range of search queries. Search Fiverr directly. Perform searches on Fiverr using your identified keywords. This will help you gauge the level of competition and see which gigs are already ranking for those keywords. Check gig ratings and reviews. Look at the gigs that are ranking well for your chosen keywords. If they have a significant number of positive ratings and reviews, it might indicate higher competitions. Conversely, gigs with fewer ratings could be opportunities to target. Create high quality gigs. Once you have identified your low competition keywords, create high quality gigs with compelling titles, descriptions, and tags. Highlight your expertise, skills, and the value offered to potential clients. Optimize your profile. In addition to gig optimization, make sure your Fiverr profile is well crafted and showcase your skills and experiences related to WordPress services. Regularly monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on the performance of your gigs. If you're not getting the desired results, consider tweaking your gig titles, descriptions, and keywords based on feedback and performance data. Remember that finding the right keywords is an ongoing process. Regularly update your gigs and keywords based on trends and shifts in your niche. Additionally, providing high quality services and excellent customer satisfaction will contribute to your success on Fiverr over the long term.